Our current situation right here, headed to Muddy Bottoms. We're in a traffic jam, a pretty bad traffic jam. Got Josh and Ryan behind me. Well. Was trying to stop Mr. Ryan. Hit old Josh on accident. We are like 20 minutes away from the park. My truck is perfectly okay, thank God. We still got one good truck. Mr. Josh a little shaken up from the wreck. Thank God everybody's okay though. Everything kind of slid forward, broke a couple straps. His bumper bent all the way down, and yeah, it's kind of screwed, but just super thankful everybody's okay. Truck's okay, just will not be able to haul a trailer for the time being. What do you got to say? Anything?
Just have all places. Why here?
Why now?
Yeah,
Why now?
Like, why not, like, when we're back
Hey,
home
at least you got a highlifter shirt on.
I guess so.
And I already hollered at them, so they said it was okay if we had to leave anything there.
Right.
So we just over here assessing the damage a little bit, waiting on the trooper. Not a big deal. Shit happens, guys. All right, guys, we got this nice gentleman over here at this construction company that pulled up and offered his help. We much appreciate that. His truck's still good to drive. Ryan's had to be towed, but back's hooked up to mine, done pulled everybody's trailer over here. There's Ryan's. We're gonna have to come back and get it. Guys, we're headed to Muddy Bottoms, finally headed to Muddy Bottoms. We were pulling up to Muddy Bottoms after the catastrophe that we just had. Right here on your right is the first sign you're gonna see right here, guys. Well, guys, we finally checked in. We are excited to go, and we're almost to camp, guys. We're almost freaking camp. That's what I'm talking about right there, baby. Boys, where are y'all from?
Arkansas.
What part of Arkansas? I heard
Cabot.
Cabot. What do y'all love about the bike?
I like the new foil and the color of it.
The color? You like the new highlifter products that we put on there?
Yeah.
I appreciate that. Thank y'all for coming out to Muddy Bottoms. I look forward to riding with y'all. It's going to be a great weekend. We're over here in Serpta, Louisiana, right? Is that how you say it? We're about to have a big weekend. Ran into some subscribers over here. They pulled up in their freaking awesome Ranger on some 6-inch boxes. So we're gonna do some riding here later and get started with the weekend. Appreciate y'all stopping in and saying what's up. See you, little man. My cool outdoors is here. There's William right there. Got Green Bean and Toolbox on the trailer right here. Mr. McCool, how was your drive down, brother?
Oh, really good, really
good. Good. Glad to see y'all made it. We've had a couple of catastrophes on the way here, but we're here. We're here. A little stuck over here at Muddy Bottoms, guys. I'm getting one of my subscribers pulled out here with Talon over here. Got the winch right here. Got the 22 fab ropes. Got to put them to the test. We about got him out here, I think, hopefully. He's really bottomed out there. Down here at Muddy Bottoms, guys, getting people pulled out. Yeah, he was really stuck. Like that. All right. That's some thick mud right there. What do you say? Where are we at?
We stuck. That's where we at.
We're stuck in Muddy Bottoms, man.
Yeah, we're stuck in Muddy Bottoms.
All right.
Thank y'all so much.
Oh, no problem, man. That's what it's all about. Hey, buddy, what trail are we on? The blue trail? You having fun at Muddy Bottoms so far?
Yeah.
What's your favorite part of Muddy Bottoms? The blue trail? The one you just got stuck on?
Yeah.
All right, dude, I appreciate it.
Harley Williams with South Arkansas Motors.
Chris McCool Outdoors.
What's up, guys? You already know who I am. West Tennessee Motors, Jake Castlaw. Josh Lakes, West Tennessee Motors.
Brian Locklear, West Tennessee Motors.
William McCool with McCool Outdoors. You just heard me, but this is my talent as well.
You just heard me. This is my side-by-side.
You might have heard me earlier. My 850 Sportsman is just over there. Got my side-by-side here. We're at Muddy Bottoms, guys. We're about to go rip these machines. We're waiting on a few more that are pulling in. Like right now, we got the campers pulling in. We're super excited for Muddy Bottoms 2023.
We got the Texas boys are here. Cannon unloading. Brandon. Got the Sportsman squad here. What's up, little buddy? Glad y'all made it, man.
Hey, come on, baby, right there.
Yes, sir.
Man,
We're gonna have a whole Sportsman squad here.
yeah, a whole bunch of sportsmen.
Here's camp, y'all. Muddy Bottoms, Mudpalooza 2023. Got the whole squad here. We also got Mr. Lost Riders and his wife out here. Scott and Jessica. Mr. J's whips over here. Mr. Scott with Lost Riders right here, about to unload his 4-seater Ranger, freshly wrapped. It's a tight squeeze. Guys, we're about to hit the blue trail. Holly and William are leading the pack. The Sportsman squad behind us. There's the famous parking lot hole. Mr. Cannon over here done walked on me now. Now I'm playing. He didn't completely walk on me, but he followed me in two. We're going to see if he'll follow me through the next one in two-wheel drive.
I will. I'll follow.
Follow. Mr. William over here. Y'all ready?
getting two. I'll give it to you. That's how it's done right there, baby. Stopping so much to hit all the holes.
I'm here for a good time.
Hey, say you're here for a good time, not for a long time.
Good time.
Yes, sir.
I don't know if I'll be here for a long time or not.
Got Mr. Lost Riders out here
better
himself
believe it.
riding with us, making sure we don't get
I
lost.
see it. I got that SOS button in case
Yes,
you can't
sir.
find your way back.
There we go, Mr. Harley. We got Mr. Ryan here. That's Highland Racing. Oh yeah. That's how it's done right there, Mr. McCool, ain't it?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna give it a shot with toolbox.
All
and see
right, go
what we
give it a
do.
shot. Oh! You might want to try four-wheel drive. Oh! Go, go, go! Green beans turn. Toolbox time. Yeah. Oh yeah. Woo! Blast it. Woo! We're covered now. Oh, CF Moto, come on. Come on. CF Moto, come on. Hey, just send it. Send it.
Come on, CF Moto.
Show them up. CF Moto, two-wheel drive.
CF Moto.
Oh! Woo, you all right?
Man.
Hey, you gave it hell on
I'm
two-wheel
trying,
drive,
I'm trying.
dude.
I don't know what happened.
We're just gonna
Quit
leave
waiting
these
back here.
on.
Yeah, that's not.
What? Oh, the engine's moving?
Yeah.
Oh, that's just a cover.
Oh, okay. What's going on back here? Is there just no
I was
baffle?
working on that. I know, that's what I come up with. I ran out of tools, so.
Hey, redneck ingenuity at its best, right?
There you go.
Wave.
Mr. Lost Riders himself coming through hot in his 4-seater Ranger right here, baby. Walking right out of the hole, making it look easy. Go, go. Yes. Hey, here at West Tennessee Motors, we make our own trails. Talk about cutting it close.
Oh, no, there ain't no way.
She hit the center rut.